It's finally here, guys. It is finally here. Let's go. I'm gonna unbox this. But before I do that, let's get into something a little bit more comfortable because I just got back from work. Comfy shirt, comfy sweatpants. We're set, guys. Oh shoot, forgot my knife. Got the knife. All right, let's pop into this thing. What do we have here? Well, I'll tell you. What I ordered literally a month ago, but it's been on pre-order, so I have not received it until now. And I will say one thing. This is by far the most exciting thing that you've seen me purchase yet. What's that? Oh! MAVIC Air. Not just the MAVIC Air, it's the Fly More combo. Let's go. Fly More combo. It wasn't out yet. It finally came out. I happened to get the white one. Now let's get to the good part. Let's get to the good part. Guys, it's about to go down. Dun, dun, dun! I wonder what's in this nice little knapsack. Guys, this stuff just feels so elegant. Oh, some sort of propeller protectors. Propeller protectors. Some sort of manuals. I am going to be doing a little bit of reading tonight because your boy does not want to crash this. It's $1,000. Yeah, I know. You guys are going to probably give me a lot of crap. They're going to be like, hey, Ethan, why didn't you spend that $1,000 on new fishing rods? Why didn't you buy another kayak? Why didn't you buy this, that, or the other thing? I'll tell you why. The reason is that I like making videos. And part of making videos is upgrading gear. And part of gear is electronics. So we got some sort of remote control device here. And I don't know, I've never literally flown a drone in my life. And here's the thing, I'm not gonna fly it today. I am gonna fly it in a couple days. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna fast forward to that here in a second. But before we do, let's check out the actual drone ski. Which is, oh, this is all the batteries. You're telling me this is the drone? This is tiny. Here's my hand, here's the drone. Holy shnikes. Dun, 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 dun. This is like the battery pack, which I need to get those bad boys charging because I'm gonna fly this thing soon. These ones fold out, fold down and out like some sort of Lamborghini doors. And there you have it. This is the DJI MAVIC Air, and look how freaking small it is. Like, hello, it's tiny. I'm super stoked about it. I mean, for being as expensive as it is, you would think this kind of thing would be way bigger and exciting. But it's smaller, and that makes it that much more elegant and sexy. Honestly, guys, first impressions are, this thing looks fantastic. I've never in my life flown a drone, so that's gonna be the interesting part. I hope I don't crash it. I am probably gonna have to get the protection plan because I am nervous. I don't wanna lose $1,000. I pray that I don't fly this thing straight into a river. We'll see, maybe I will. You know me, who knows? So, Mr. MAVIC, what do you think? Should we fast forward a couple days and then get you in the air? I think he's nodding yes. All right, let's go. Okay guys, it's Friday, March 9th, and now we are gonna test this little thing. I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's try. Whoa, making noises at me. All right, I'm activating my drone. Leave it. Oh shoot. Karma, come here.
Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
Leave it. Leave it. Leave it, no, leave it. Leave it, leave it. Karma, you idiot. Dude, Karma, I told you to leave it. You know what? If dog don't want to listen, dog gonna learn the hard way. Okay guys, I will say this. This drone is awesome. I have no idea what I'm doing with it yet. I have not read any of the manual. I don't know how to turn it off. You know, try to figure that thing out. But by and large, I would say this thing is freaking cool, and it makes it pretty easy to fly. I mean, having never flown a drone before today, I think I did okay. The footage might be garbage, but I'll learn and I'll get better every time. I think we're gonna make a lot of cool videos with this thing. What do you guys think? Do you have any suggestions? If you want to see more goofy videos, more videos of a drone almost getting bit by a dog, make sure to subscribe. We'll catch you later.